Hello traders, welcome to my Sunday market breakdown. Today I'll be breaking down the pairs that I've got for the week and everything's looking beautiful. Spended my time on the forecast and yeah, I hope each and everyone will be able to understand and dive in and get the tips and whatnots and let's dive in. So tomorrow I won't be dropping my trade recap because I've got a trade open. So hopefully I'll drop it before the end weeks. Yeah, so okay, let's begin with the DXY. We're on daily time frame. On daily time frame, the market respects the three-touch continuation pattern, which is below the area of interest. From last week, I was looking for longs on DXY because of the consolidation and prices respecting the consolidation. Hopefully, price is seeking for better value area. This is why price is going for bullish trend. 1, 2, 3. Call it a bull flag. Okay, nice. Let us dive into the first pair. On our first pair, we've got pound NZD. Wow, pound NZD is looking beautiful. On pound NZD, this was a deep focus. I had not acknowledged that on the weekly we've got something that is called a thesis. Okay, let me break down the thesis. So we've got the top value area, bottom value area. What does price do at the top value area? Price approaches the top value area with a 1, 2, 3 reversal structure, and we've got our internal 1, 2, 3 reversal structure with a middle section. So wow, this is gonna be beautiful. Okay, let me zoom in. As you can see, the price had closed the week with a pin bar on the value area, making this a very beautiful, interesting pair. We've got our second pin bar. uh let me read the note. So the market approaches the value area structurally on weekly. The three-touch reversal structure weekly. Price closes the week with a value of area with a pin bar. Okay, and we've got on daily. On daily, this is where you see the clear, beautiful structure. Three-touch pattern with a middle section within a large reversal structure. Daily price leaves a pin bar before pushing back into structure. So I'll be looking for continuations here. Yes, my interest will be a continuation. It's going to be a beautiful continuation. Let me get into H4. Well, there isn't much right now because price hasn't developed a continuation for us to scale in. However, we've got our small uh, good sequence that's happening. We've got price pushing, then we've got the correction, and it's moving on to phase 2. Okay, let us dive into pound AUD. GBP AUD. On GBP AUD, we zoom out again on weekly. We've got price develops a three-touch reversal structure. You can see here's our 1, 2, 3, and I put this 90% because I'll be playing this range. Okay, and then on daily, price pulls back into structure, leaving a pin bar. Leaving a pin bar. There is it. Leaving a pin bar, and then the position is good. Sequence is good. Why is sequence good? Let me get into H1. Open the doorway system. Sequence is good because of impulse, correction, impulse, second correction, and we'll be getting our impulse when the market opens, and I'll be seeking for a better continuation to take the move. Okay, let me not take much time because there are more interesting pairs. Okay, on GBP, on pound dollar, this is what we have. We don't have to zoom out much because this is where price is interesting. Okay, price reacts well from the value area with the 1, 2, 3 reversal structure which developed while price was approaching a value area. On the daily, price moving its way below the area of interest with the bearish force that we currently see right here. So price consolidated right here where this would have been an area of value for a bullish, but however, reading what price was telling, it was correcting here, so I labeled this as an area of interest and will be looking for bearish on this. pair. Let me dive into H4 so you can clearly see why price reversed. So we've got this ascending pattern and a hook point, and price respects that with the bearish movement. I'll be looking for a continuation on that, plain and simple. NZD dollar. On NZD dollar, we've got we're beginning on the weekly. On NZD dollar, we've got a bearish sentiment, and then price closes the week with a strong bearish candle past the inflection point. Here is the inflection point. Price leaves this bearish strong movement. So don't have to dive into another time frame because we don't have nothing developed yet. We don't have nothing developed yet. However, I'll be I'll be open-minded on this one. I'll be open-minded on this one. And then we've got CAT CHF again. Well, on CAT CHF, this one is not something that's gonna be developing during this week. However, this will be a good development for probably the next 2 weeks. This would be ready, or will be ready if it will be developing a head and shoulder. So I'm anticipating a head and shoulder on this one. You'll see it clearly on the H4. Here is it's going to be head and shoulder CAT CHF, and then we've got dollar CHF. With dollar CHF, we've got price dollar CHF. We've got price trends bullishly away from the consolidation, and then on H4, price forms a descending channel below an inflation point and plays well, reaching the 90% right there, reaching our 90% of the channel, making it clear that we are looking for bullish play. So the bulls are in control right there. So I'll be looking to be taking a trade above the 90%. And yes, this is my Sunday market breakdown. I will share my Notion too so you can have it. Thank you so much for diving into the Sunday market breakdown. Let us have a beautiful week. We've got a beautiful pair, which is pound NZD. But however, let's not attach ourselves towards one pair, even though it may perfectly look beautiful with a lot of thesis. There are also another pairs that are interesting. This is my top six. Dive in and do your forecast. Hope you learn something from here, and I'll be looking forward to hear your opinions. Link in and dive in. Thank you so much.